The legs are one of the most important parts of the body since they help us move, walk and run. However, if we don't give our legs the nutrients that they need, they can start hurting and become weak and sore. If you are experiencing any of these issues, there might be a vitamin deficiency that is causing them. In this video, we will talk about the top 7 essential vitamins to keep your legs strong and healthy, so make sure to watch until the end. Before we begin, we would like to mention that this video is for educational purposes only. So do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is very important for the health of our bones and muscles. It helps our body absorb calcium and phosphorus, which are 2 minerals that are essential for strong bones. A study from 2018 showed that people with lower levels of vitamin D were more likely to experience lower extremity muscle weakness than those with higher levels. You can get vitamin D from the sun, fatty fish, fish liver oils, beef liver, egg yolks, cheese and certain types of mushrooms. The recommended daily amount of vitamin D is 600 IUs for adults. Number 2, vitamin K. Vitamin K is another vitamin that is important for bone health. It helps our body regulate calcium and prevents it from building up in the arteries. Vitamin K also plays a role in wound healing. A study from 2017 found that people with higher levels of vitamin K were less likely to develop deep vein thrombosis, a condition that causes blood clots to form in the legs. You can get vitamin K from kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, liver and fermented vegetables. The recommended daily amount of vitamin K is 90 micrograms for men and 120 micrograms for women. Number 3, calcium. Calcium is a mineral that is important for the health of our bones and teeth. It helps our muscles contract and relax, and it helps our nerves send signals throughout our body. A study from 2014 found that people with lower levels of calcium were more likely to experience leg cramps than those with higher levels. You can get calcium from dairy products, leafy green vegetables, nuts and seeds. The recommended daily amount of calcium is 1,000 milligrams for adults. Number 4, magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that is important for over 300 chemical reactions in our body. These include making proteins, DNA and RNA, regulating blood pressure and helping our muscles contract and relax. One study found that people with lower levels of magnesium were more likely to experience leg cramps than those with higher levels. You can get magnesium from spinach, almonds, avocado, black beans and whole wheat. The recommended daily amount of magnesium is 400 to 420 milligrams for adults. Number 5, potassium. Potassium is an electrolyte that is important for many functions in our body, including regulating fluid balance, helping our muscles contract and relax, and maintaining a regular heartbeat. A study from 2015 found that people with low potassium levels were more likely to experience muscle weakness in their legs than those with higher levels. You can get potassium from bananas, avocados, spinach, grapefruit and tomatoes. The recommended daily amount of potassium is 4,700 milligrams for adults. No. 6, iron. Iron is a mineral that is important for carrying oxygen throughout our body. It helps our red blood cells carry oxygen to the rest of our body. A study from 2016 found that people with iron deficiency were more likely to experience shortness of breath and fatigue when walking, which could indicate lower extremity muscle weakness. You can get iron from red meat, spinach, lentils, tofu and fortified cereals. The recommended daily amount of iron is 8 milligrams for men and 18 milligrams for women. Number 7, B vitamins. B vitamins are a group of 8 water-soluble vitamins that are important for many functions in our body, including making new cells, breaking down food for energy and keeping our nervous system functioning properly. One study from 2017 found that people with lower levels of vitamin B6 were more likely to experience leg cramps than those with higher levels. Another study found that people with lower levels of vitamin B12 were more likely to experience peripheral neuropathy, a condition that causes damage to the nerves in the legs and feet, which can lead to weakness, numbness and pain. You can get B vitamins from a variety of foods, including meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, green leafy vegetables and whole grains. The recommended daily amount of B vitamins vary depending on the type of B vitamin. For example, the recommended daily amount of B6 is 1.3 milligrams for adults, and the recommended daily amount of B12 is 2.4 picograms for adults. Other than taking the right vitamins, it is also important to eat a healthy diet and exercise regularly to keep your legs strong and healthy. Eating a diet that is high in processed foods and sugar can lead to inflammation and cause your legs to hurt. Exercising regularly can help improve circulation, strengthen your muscles, and increase flexibility. Here are some exercises that you can try. Ankle pumps. Ankle pumps can help improve circulation in your legs and feet and reduce swelling. To do ankle pumps, sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Lift one foot off the ground and move your ankle in a pumping motion. Pump your ankle up and down for about 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat with your other foot. Calf stretches. Calf stretches can help improve flexibility in your calves and reduce tightness. Stand up straight and face a wall. Place your hands on the wall at shoulder height and lean forward while keeping your knees straight. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Quadricep stretches. Quadricep stretches can help improve flexibility in the thigh muscles and reduce tightness. Sit on the ground with your legs extended in front of you. Reach down and try to touch your toes. Hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Hamstring stretches. Hamstring stretches can help improve flexibility in the back of the thighs and reduce tightness. Sit on the ground with your legs extended in front of you. Reach down and grab the tops of your feet. Pull your feet towards your body and hold this position for 15 to 30 seconds. Repeat 3 times. Heel raises. Heel raises can help strengthen the calf muscles and improve balance. Stand up straight with your feet shoulder width apart. Raise up onto your toes and hold this position for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 to 15 times. If you are pregnant, have heart problems, diabetes, or any other medical conditions, please consult your doctor before starting any new supplements or making any changes to your diet or exercise routine. Also, remember that supplements are not a substitute for a healthy diet and lifestyle. We hope that you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Please let us know in the comments below what vitamins you are taking to keep your legs strong and healthy. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos, and as always, thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.